Hello and welcome to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a part or mesh part gradually get lighter in color. Oh, and shout out to GoldieBear8617 for making this suggestion. If you guys want a shout out, make a suggestion down below in the comment section. Now let's take a look at how it runs in the game. So, as you can see, it starts off as a blue color and it slowly gets lighter from blue to white. Yeah, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is insert a script into the part we want to gradually get lighter. For me, it's this part, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a script. And we're gonna name the script color changing script. Now we choose our start color and our end color. So for my start color, I want to choose this color, and for my end color, I want to choose this color, white. Okay, so now that we have our colors, it's time for us to get our start color and insert it into the script. First, we're going to set our variables local x equals, local y equals, and local z equals. Then we're going to insert the values of our first color. The first digit is x, the second digit is y, and the third digit is z. For me, x is 0, y is 85, and z is 0. Now we're going to set another variable, and this variable will be the part that we want to change colors. So the script.parent. So we're going to do while script.enabled equals true do. So this will make whatever's written down below only work if the script is enabled. While x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to 255 and y is greater than or equal to 85 and y is is less than 255 and z is greater than or equal to 0 and z is less than 255, do x equals x plus 1, y equals y plus 1, and z equals z plus 1. Meshpart.color equals color3.from RGB x, y, z. And then we're going to add a wait because it is in a while statement and we don't want it to freeze. And we're going to print the values of x, y, and z so we can know what to do next. This basically allows us to change the part's color to the new x, the y, and z. Now make sure your output is open and play the game. Don't worry about the error that we got in the output. It's there because we forgot to add a wait. And as you can see, right above that error, we have the values at which it stopped at. That will be our next while. So while x is greater than or equal to 170 and x is less than 255 and y is equal to 255 and z is greater than or equal to 170 and z is less than 255, do. As you can see, I put 170 for my x, I put 255 for my y, and I put 170 for my z because it was in my output, so make sure you put your numbers according to your output. Now we just do the exact same thing we did in the first while loop again, except we leave out the y because the y already equals 255 and that's where we want it to be. After we print the values x, y, and z, we need to run it again so that we could see if we need to add another while loop or if we can add our final while loop. Let's see, in the output, you can see the numbers counting up. Oh, it hit 255, 255, and 255, meaning I actually do not need to make another while loop. However, I do need to set it so that when it does hit 255, it can reset the color back to the start. If you don't want it to reset the color back to the start, then you're done. That's it for the script. But if you do want it to restart, then we could just copy what I do. And we're done. Go ahead and play the game and make sure it works to perfection. Ta-da! Perfect! Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed and you learned something new, drop a like and possibly subscribe. I don't know. Anyways, bye!